Are you forgetting things lately? Do you walk into a room and forget why you went there? Or maybe names, appointments, and simple daily tasks are slipping from your mind? You're not alone. In the US and other developed countries, memory loss is now one of the fastest growing health concerns, not just among seniors, but even young adults. Today, we'll explore the real causes of memory loss, science-backed foods that sharpen your brain, and the best natural supplements that can protect your memory for life. What exactly is memory loss? Memory loss isn't just about getting old. It's a sign that your brain cells are under stress, from poor nutrition, lack of sleep, chronic stress, or even hidden inflammation. According to the National Institute on Aging, mild forgetfulness can start early, even in your 30s or 40s, if your lifestyle is off balance. Brain fog, low focus, and poor recall are now common because of ultra-processed foods, sleep deprivation, and digital overload. So, before we jump into solutions, understand this. Your brain is like a muscle. If you don't fuel it right, it slows down. The hidden causes of memory decline. Let's break down what really harms your memory: nutrient deficiency, low vitamin B12, omega-3 fats, and vitamin D cause poor neuron communication. Sleep deprivation. When you sleep less than 6 hours, your brain can't store new memories effectively. Processed foods and sugar, they cause inflammation and insulin resistance, both strongly linked to Alzheimer's risk. Chronic stress and anxiety, cortisol, the stress hormone, literally shrinks your hippocampus, the brain's memory center. Smoking and alcohol reduce oxygen and blood flow to the brain, impairing focus and retention. Now, the good news: your brain can heal and regenerate with the right foods and supplements. Top brain-boosting foods. Here are 8 powerful foods proven by research to enhance memory and cognitive health. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. Rich in omega-3 DHA, which builds brain cell membranes and improves communication. Blueberries, packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and improve short-term memory. Walnuts and almonds contain healthy fats, vitamin E, and polyphenols that slow age-related decline. Dark chocolate, 70% plus cocoa, increases blood flow to the brain and enhances learning ability. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, provide folate, vitamin K, and beta-carotene that support neuron protection. Avocado, loaded with healthy fats and potassium, maintaining brain's electrical activity. Eggs, high in choline, essential for memory-forming neurotransmitters like acetylcholine. Green tea, boosts alertness and provides L-theanine, which improves focus and calmness together. Include at least 4 to 5 of these daily. Your brain will thank you. Best natural supplements for memory and focus. Science-backed supplements that truly support brain function. Omega-3 fish oil, DHA plus EPA. Strengthens brain cell structure and improves long-term memory. Phosphatidylserine, a key brain lipid shown to reduce age-related cognitive decline. Ginkgo biloba, improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain, enhances recall speed. Lion's mane mushroom, stimulates nerve growth factor, NGF, supports new brain cell growth. Bacopa monnieri, Ayurvedic herb clinically proven to enhance learning and retention. Vitamin B12 plus D3, complex, essential for nerve function and preventing cognitive fatigue. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplement routine. Memory loss is not your destiny. It's a signal your brain needs better care. Feed it right, rest it well, and protect it from stress and toxins. Start with one small change today. Maybe swap your snack for walnuts or add salmon to your dinner. Within weeks, you'll feel sharper, calmer, and more focused. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.